Think you need a big backyard to grow your own food? Think again. Today, we're revealing 7 powerhouse veggies that thrive in containers, perfect for balconies, porches, and even sunny windowsills. If you love simple garden hacks, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss a harvest. Not all vegetables are happy in pots, but the ones we're about to show you are compact, fast-growing, and productive. What they need: containers at least 12 inches deep with drainage holes, high-quality potting mix, not garden soil, and, consistent watering and sunlight, like 6 or more hours a day. Let's jump into the top 7 picks. Lettuce, loose leaf, and romaine grows quickly, and you can harvest it in about 30 days. With shallow roots, it's just ideal for small pots or even window boxes. Lettuce prefers cooler temperatures and partial shade. Carrots, especially short varieties like Thumbelina, do best in deep pots, at least 10 inches. They need consistent moisture, and honestly, they're happiest in loose, sandy potting soil. Alright, let's talk about cherry tomatoes. Varieties like Tiny Tim or Patio Princess are just so perfect for containers because they're nice and compact. You'll want to give them some support, like staking, and be sure they get plenty of full sun. Oh, and don't forget to feed them with a liquid fertilizer every couple of weeks to keep those little tomatoes coming. Next up, peppers. Whether you love bell peppers or those spicy hot ones, peppers really thrive in warmth and lots of sun, so make sure they're soaking it up. It's best to plant just 1 pepper per 3 to 5 gallon pot, and good airflow around the plant helps prevent disease. Super simple, right? Now, green onions or scallions are honestly perfect for shallow containers. Here's a cool tip. You can actually regrow them from the roots you buy at the grocery store. Just snip what you need, and they'll regrow multiple times. How awesome is that? So, let's talk about spinach. It's just awesome for cooler climates and honestly, perfect for early spring or fall planting. You can keep harvesting the outer leaves continuously, which is super convenient. Just be sure to avoid those hot days, since spinach bolts pretty quickly when it gets too warm. Next up, bush cucumbers, like bush pickle or space master. These compact plants are actually made for containers, which is great if you're short on space. They do need a trellis or cage for a little support though. And remember, keep that soil moist and harvest often for the best crunch. Here are a few final tips for container success. Water deeply, but not too often. This really helps roots grow stronger. Try rotating your pots every week so all sides get even sun. I'd suggest using organic fertilizer about once a month for steady growth. And, always check your drainage. Got a small space? No problem. Big results are totally possible. I'd love to hear from you, so comment below and let me know what's growing in your containers this season. And hey, don't forget to tap that bell so your garden thrives with every new tip we drop.